Hospitality staff refusing to get vaccinated is forcing cafes and restaurants in some of WA's most popular tourist towns to turn away customers. Business owners say there's been an exodus of staff over the COVID-19 vaccine mandate, exacerbating the existing labour shortage.
It's been a hectic summer for WA's southwest hospitality sector. The region overflowing with tourists, still largely limited to domestic travel.
The past 2 weeks have been probably the biggest weeks we've seen.
Regional cafes and restaurants, already struggling to find staff, have now been hit hard by the vaccine mandate, exacerbating the shortage. Under a public health order, hospitality staff must have received at least one vaccination by the end of last year. This Margaret River venue lost 7 of its 35 staff, mostly because they refused to get vaccinated. Management forced to improvise to maintain a level of service and the health of remaining workers.
We decided on New Year's Day to close early just because staff are tired.
Finding replacement staff an unenviable task with demand far outstripping supply. One of the region's largest hospitality employers also struggling to fill shifts.
We've got a staff number of 170 here at Shelter. We've lost 8 due to the vaccine mandate.
Recruiting new staff just one of the many issues facing the regional sector.
The accommodation in the southwest is as big of an issue for our staffing numbers as the vaccine mandate has been.
One takeaway job espresso.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure, buddy. You have a good day.
WA's hotel industry says the sector is already facing a shortfall of 13,000 workers across the state, with 2,500 of those here in the southwest. It says non-compliance to the vaccine mandate by a relatively small number of workers is nonetheless adding pressure to a sector already struggling to cope.
Look, in some parts of the industry and some parts of the state, there may be a higher propensity for individuals to opt out of getting a vaccine for social or personal or health reasons. That seems to be the case in some areas of Margaret River and the southwest.
A tall order at the business end of an already busy season. Anthony Pancia, ABC News, Margaret River.